It's your boy AJ, man. Back with another video, man. We back at the car again. Y'all peep this up. New part up in there. That's how that's supposed to go. Y'all might not know nothing about that. Those that do know, make sure you email me or drop a comment on this video to let me know if you know what I'm talking about. Talk about that rock player, if you know what I'm saying, that rock player. Yeah, we finna get this sucker on the road. On the road. Y'all see them new parts? Let me show y'all, like with the new tires we putting on there. And that's a shiny piece right for you. Y'all see it? That's a diamond right for you. Other tire. We finna get it on the road. Yeah, boy, big AJ right here chilling, man. Y'all see me got the thick coat on. It's chilling. Chilling in the feeling. Y'all viewers, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like, and the comment. Yeah, drop a comment in here about this car that I don't know. If you know something I don't know. But yeah, drop a comment and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. I know y'all watching my videos. I know y'all do, because I see it. But just make sure you hit the subscribe button, though. Subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you down with the Callahan Gang. You know what I'm saying? That's the Callahan Gang. We just try to get them M's up. You know what I'm saying? Try to get the volume up there. You know what I'm saying? My subscribers, they kind of low right now, but I need for them to be up there. So if y'all watch my videos, y'all know the Callahan Gang. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. Come on, I'm trying to get them suckers up. Come on now. I know y'all watch me. You watch me, ain't you? I know you do. You watch me. But yeah, hit the subscribe button, like, and comment on your boy. It's chilly out here, man. And we back at it, man. Y'all see it, man. We trying to get it down. If you don't know, y'all see the end piece. Make sure y'all see that now. Wow, you just put that back on there. End piece on the end. Yeah. I'm not trying to make this a long video, but hit the subscribe button, like, and comment. It's chilly out here. And subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. That button right there. That button right there in front of you. Beep, beep. Till next time. Callahan.